In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut or delete a wall in Planner 5D. First of all, it's important to understand that walls behave differently depending on how they were created. Walls that you draw separately and walls that are part of a room have different options when it comes to editing, cutting, and deleting. Let's start with walls that you created separately using the Draw Walls tool. If you want to delete one of these walls, simply click on it to select it. Once selected, you will see a delete option represented by a bin icon. Click on this icon and the wall will be removed instantly. This is the simplest case when it comes to deleting walls. Now, when it comes to cutting these standalone walls, things work a bit differently. The Add Corner tool is commonly used for modifying walls, but it does not work properly for cutting simple standalone walls. For example, if you select a wall and add a corner, it will create a point in the middle. However, if you try to move that point outward, instead of bending the wall, it may create a new enclosed space or even form a new room. This happens because the Add Corner tool is designed mainly for room walls rather than individual wall segments. To properly create a cut in a standalone wall, you need to use the Draw Walls tool. Go to the Build section on the left side of your screen and select Draw Walls. First, draw a new wall on one side of the area you want to remove, then press Enter to confirm it. After that, use the Draw Walls tool again to create another wall on the opposite side of the section you want to cut out. Once both new walls are in place, select the original wall segment in between and delete it using the bin icon. When you switch to 3D view, you will see that a gap has been created, giving the appearance of a clean cut between the two walls. At the moment, this is the most effective way to cut standalone walls in Planner 5D. Now let's talk about walls that are part of a room. These walls cannot be deleted directly, as you won't see a bin icon when you select them. Instead, Planner 5D provides a hide option, represented by an eye icon. When you click on this icon, the wall will be hidden, making it appear as if it has been removed. If you want to create a cut within a room wall, start by selecting the wall, then use the Add Corner tool to divide it into smaller sections. Each time you add a corner, the wall splits into equal parts. You can continue adding corners and then move those corner points to define the exact section you want to remove. Once you have isolated the portion of the wall, select that segment and click on the hide icon. When you check in 3D view, you will see that the selected section has been effectively cut out. And this is how you can cut or delete a wall in Planner 5D.